Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Trust in You by Lauren Daigle. As usual, I'll play the song for you first, and then afterwards I'm going to break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So let's go ahead and get started.
Letting go of every single dream, I lay each one down at your feet. Every moment of my wandering never changes what you see. I've tried to win this war, I confess. My hands are weary, I need your rest. Mighty warrior, king of the fire. No matter what I face, you're by my side. When you don't move the mountains, I'm needing you to move. When you don't part the waters, I wish I could walk through. When you don't give the answers as I cry out to you, I will trust, I will trust, I will trust in you. Truth is, you know what tomorrow brings. There's not a day that you have not seen. So in all things, in my life and breath, I want what you want, Lord, and nothing less. When you don't move the mountains, I'm needing you to move. When you don't part the waters, I wish I could walk through. When you don't give the answers as I cry out to you, I will trust, I will trust, I will trust in you. You are my strength and comfort, you are my steady hand, you are my firm foundation, the rock on which I stand. Your ways are always higher, your plans are always good. There's not a place where I go you're not already been. When you don't move the mountains, I'm needing you to move. When you don't part the waters, I wish I could walk through. When you don't give the answers as I cry out to you, I will trust, I will trust, I will trust in you. I will trust in you.
So I'm going to be using the G chord family for this song, but I'm playing it with my capo on the 2nd fret. So that actually puts us in the key of A, even though I'm using the G chord family. So I'm going to be using 5 chords. I have the G chord, C add 9, E minor 7, D over F sharp, and the A minor 7. We're going to be using an 8-beat strum pattern for this song. We're going to have 8 down strums, and then we're going to add in an up strum after beat 8, and then we're going to repeat. Now what's very important for this song is that we add the emphasis where it's supposed to go. So we need to add emphasis on beat 1, 4, and 7. And that means we're just going to strum harder on those beats. Okay? So if I just hold my G chord and play that strum pattern for you slowly, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Alright, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.